If you're considering Scala hosting for your web hosting needs, there are a few things you should know before you make your purchase. Scala hosting is a solid option for many, but when compared to its competitors, it has some unique pros and cons. Let's dive into the 12 things you should know. The first thing to consider is its performance and speed. Scala hosting offers solid uptime, generally over 99.9%, which is on par with top competitors like SiteGround and Bluehost. However, what sets it apart is its use of a custom-built cloud hosting platform that guarantees faster performance, especially for larger websites or more complex applications. Next thing is pricing. Scala hosting offers competitive rates starting at just $3.95 a month for shared hosting. That's lower than many competitors, including HostGator and GoDaddy. But, as with most hosting companies, expect to pay more when you renew your plan. Make sure to look at the long-term pricing to understand what you're getting into. The third thing you should be aware of is scalability. Scala hosting offers easy scalability with its VPS and cloud hosting solutions. This flexibility allows businesses to grow without worrying about outgrowing their hosting plan. Unlike traditional shared hosting, competitors like A2 Hosting also offer scalability, but Scala Hosting's cloud servers provide a smoother transition and more control over resources. The fourth thing is the user interface. Scala Hosting's control panel is simple to navigate, but it might not be as polished as cPanel, which is commonly used by other providers like Bluehost. While it has its own custom panel, it still remains intuitive and easy for beginners to understand. The fifth thing to know is that Scala Hosting provides a full range of hosting options: shared hosting, VPS, cloud hosting, and managed WordPress hosting. This wide variety helps it compete with heavyweights like SiteGround and InMotion Hosting, which offer similar services but at a higher price point. Next thing, security. Scala Hosting takes security seriously with daily backups, free SSL certificates, and strong firewalls. While these are standard features, it offers a little extra peace of mind with its proprietary S-Shield security system that actively detects and prevents cyber attacks in real time. This security measure is more advanced than what you get with competitors like HostPapa or DreamHost. The seventh thing is customer support. Scala Hosting provides 24/7 support via live chat, phone, and tickets. Their team is quick to respond and knowledgeable, which is important when you're dealing with technical issues. However, when comparing it to providers like SiteGround, the support is generally effective, but not always as quick during peak times. The eighth thing is the speed of their servers. Scala Hosting's cloud-based servers offer excellent loading times, but if you're looking for truly lightning-fast performance, some competitors like Kinsta or WP Engine may offer faster speeds, especially for WordPress sites. The ninth thing to consider is the website builder. Scala Hosting offers a free website builder with its plans, making it easier for beginners to launch their website. This tool can save you money compared to purchasing separate website building tools like Wix or Squarespace. But for more advanced users, this builder might be limiting compared to the flexibility of WordPress. Next up, ease of migration. Scala Hosting makes migrating your website easy with their free migration tool. However, if you're switching from a competitor like Bluehost or SiteGround, be aware that Scala Hosting might not offer the same level of seamless migration as some of these top competitors who have dedicated migration teams to help with the process. The 11th thing to know is the resource management. Scala Hosting allows you to customize and control the resources allocated to your site, especially on VPS plans. This gives you more power compared to shared hosting with other companies, where you might face resource limitations. The 12th and final thing is the trial and guarantees. Scala Hosting offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is standard in the industry. While this is nice, it doesn't quite stack up against other providers like A2 Hosting, which offers a 45-day guarantee. In conclusion, Scala Hosting is a solid choice for web hosting, especially if you're looking for affordable plans, solid security, and good performance. However, if you're looking for something with a bit more speed or an easier migration experience, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.